click on the link below to see price. Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Pro. The Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Pro is an upgraded version of the original. This model comes with the Explorer 2000 Pro and the SolarSaga 200W and features a capacity of 2160 Wh. It also has 2200 W AC power and 4400 W peak power. It's a great choice for powering most outdoor tools and appliances. It can also power pellet smokers, mini coolers, refrigerators, and air conditioners. The Explorer 2000 Pro delivers 2160 Wh of power, which is more than enough to power all of your appliances and lighting needs. Superb pass-through charging. This portable power station allows you to charge your power station, while with essential devices still plugged in. Pass-through charging is a convenient way to recharge the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Pro. The solar power station includes a battery storage unit with one USB-A and two USB-C ports, one 12-volt car outlet as well as three 120V AC outlets. It also features an inverter with pure sine wave power and a fan for quiet operation. One of the great features of the Jackery is its built-in flashlight with 3 brightness settings and an SOS mode. In addition, it will automatically shut off after 12 hours if not in use. It also features a display screen that shows the amount of charge left on the battery and when it will need to be recharged again. Users can also connect a solar panel to use when charging the device. It is an excellent choice for RV use, off-grid activities, and home emergencies. It charges itself quickly too, taking less than 5 hours via solar panels and 2 hours with an AC wall outlet. The battery in the new model can handle 1000 cycles. This means it will give you many years of portable power. The unit also comes with a 5-year warranty, which can be extended by 5 years when purchased directly from the manufacturer. The ergonomic shape of the handle grants an ease grip. And just one simple touch to finish setup within 60s to enjoy outstanding charging efficiency. The Explorer 2000 Pro delivers under 53 dB, ensuring quiet and peaceful charging. Features industry-leading cylindrical batteries, popular with manufacturers of electric vehicles that meet UL safety standards. Certified with impact resistance class 9, passing the UL drop test, withstanding 3 drops from 0.9 m height on any surface. The pure sine wave inverter delivers constant voltage that protects equipment from damage. The Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Pro uses lithium-ion battery technology to deliver electricity in a compact package. The battery is a lithium-ion hybrid made of nickel, manganese, and cobalt. It's an advanced version of lithium battery technology that retains its performance for longer periods of time, while providing high output and capacity. Lithium-ion batteries are much lighter than their lead-based counterparts. However, it is important to remember that a battery will need to be recharged every 3 months. This helps maintain the battery's life. A lithium-ion battery is able to take a deep discharge of 80 to 90% and still maintain its capacity. This feature has made lithium-ion batteries the gold standard for solar generators. The Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Pro is an excellent product for those who need a high amount of power for a variety of appliances. Its high battery capacity of 2x SolarSaga 200W can energize most appliances. The power from this device is enough to run your cell phone, laptop, Bluetooth speakers, and other electronic devices. If you're a person who likes to live in the country, you can also use this unit in remote areas where there is no electricity. What you get: 1x Jackery Explorer 2000 Pro Portable Power Station, 2x SolarSaga 200W solar panels, 1x DC 7909 to DC 8020 adapter, 1x car charge cable, 1x AC charge cable, 8 feet DC charging cable, 1x carrying bag for SolarSaga 200W, 1x user manual. Click on the link below to see price.